Hey, what if I told you that you could start earning a little something online like right now with absolutely zero investment, using nothing more than the phone in your hand? Well, that's exactly what we're breaking down today. We're going to walk through a super simple AI-powered method for beginners. Let's just dive right in. So, first things first, let's talk proof. This isn't some theory. What you're looking at is a real screenshot from a person who created a brand new account on January 2nd. They just followed the exact steps we're about to cover, and bam, they started earning. It just goes to show you this thing can work right out of the gate. And here's the best part. The barrier to entry? It's basically zero. You don't need a powerful laptop, you don't need any fancy software, and you definitely don't need to put up any of your own cash. Seriously, if you're watching this on your phone right now, you already have all the tools you need to get started. Okay, so where is all this magic happening? It's not on Instagram or TikTok. This whole system is built around something called Binance Square. Think of it like a dedicated social media platform that's built right inside one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. The cool thing is, everyone there is already interested in this stuff, so you have a built-in audience from day one. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Section 1 is all about getting your foundation set up. This part is super straightforward, but you've got to get it right. The first bit is probably something you've done 100 times. You just create an account, download the official app from your app store, and then log in. That's it. Simple as that. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to ask you to verify who you are. Don't worry, this is totally standard for any kind of financial app. You'll just need to take a quick photo of the front and back of your ID and then do a quick selfie-style face scan to prove it's really you. And I have to be super clear about this. This step is not optional. It is absolutely mandatory. You cannot earn a single cent without a fully verified account. So make sure you get this done. It's the key that unlocks the whole thing. Okay, with your account all set up and verified, we are ready for the fun part. This is the core of the whole method. The super simple, repeatable process you're going to use to create content with a little help from AI. So how do you come up with stuff to post if you're not a crypto expert? Easy. You followed this little recipe. First, you hop into the Binance app, go to the Markets tab, and look at the Gainers section. This tells you which coins are trending right now. Then, you just open up a free AI app like ChatGPT and ask it to write a short 10 to 12-line post about one of those coins. And hey, ask it for a related image too. It does all the heavy lifting for you. Getting your post live is just a quick checklist. You copy and paste the text from the AI, upload the image. But here are two crucial little details. Make sure you tag the coin by putting a $sign in front of its symbol. This does something really cool. It embeds a live price chart right into your post. Then just toss in 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to help people find it. Hit publish and you're done. Okay, let's get to the question everyone's been waiting for. How do these simple little posts actually turn into money? It's not just about getting likes, there's actually a real system behind it. Right, so how does this all connect to your wallet? It's not random tips or anything like that. Your earnings come from an official program run by Binance itself. It's called the Right to Earn program, and it's pretty much what it sounds like. Binance is actively rewarding people for creating good, engaging content on their platform. Every week, they look at your activity and automatically deposit your earnings right into your wallet. It's that simple. Of course, to get paid, you have to follow a few simple rules. We already hammered home the verification part. You also need a complete profile, a name and a profile picture. They want to see consistent posting. And you got to be a little patient because payments are calculated and sent out once a week. Now, let's get real for a second. It's super important to manage your expectations here. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to wake up tomorrow with dollars raining down on you. The earnings start small, and they grow based on your consistent effort over time. And really, that's the secret sauce. Consistency is the engine that drives everything. The more you post, the more followers you'll get. The more followers you have, the more people see your content. And the more reach you have, the better your rewards can become. It all builds on itself. And that brings us to our final section. And honestly, this might be the most important piece of advice in this entire breakdown. It's about what you do next beyond just the copy and paste. Look, the real win here isn't just making a few bucks. It's using this as an excuse to actually learn. As you start posting about why a certain coin is trending, you'll naturally start to understand the market better. You're turning a simple daily task into a crash course, building real knowledge that's way more valuable than the small earnings you make at the start. So that's the big question to leave you with. Is this workflow just an endpoint, a way to make a little side cash? Or
Is it your entry point? Your foot in the door to understanding a whole new digital world? That choice is completely up to you.